Hey everybody, it's Dr. Michele Drake, and I'm here today with one of my favorite patients of the day, Kia, and we're going to answer some frequently asked questions about dog behavior.
Dr. Drake, why is addressing dog behavior problems early on so important?
Well, dog behavior issues do not go away on their own, so the sooner we start to address them, the quicker we can start to change that behavior for sure, or hopefully it's not something that's become really dominant with the dog. So again, just any behavior changes, or certainly as puppies are growing, come in often so we can see what's going on and make sure that we're on the right track.
Are certain breeds predisposed to behavior problems?
Certain breeds have certain personality traits. So again, if you have a super high energy dog, you should make sure you plan to run or walk 2 to 4 miles a day with that breed. If you have a timid breed, you're going to want to set up the socialization that's going to make them feel secure. If you have a dog that can be one that can be aggressive, then you need to really make sure this dog's had good socialization and has very good confidence in you and your control of the situation, so that they don't have to show fear, aggression. So every breed has its own behavioral norms, and then within those breeds we have differences even amongst them. So yeah, the answer is yes.
Can my dog's behavior problems resolve on their own?
No, dog behavior problems do not resolve on their own. So again, come in as soon as you see anything going on and let us help you figure out what the next best step. Because some dogs can benefit just from a basic obedience class. Some dogs, there's just some things you're going to do at home that are going to change and be normal. And other dogs, we're going to bring behavioralists in because we know it's something more serious that needs to be addressed so that we have a successful situation in the end.
That goes into my next question. When should I seek professional help for these dog behavior problems?
Well, start with an exam with us and review of the case, and we're going to help direct you to the best, the best next solution, because we've been dealing with these things for a long time and we have a lot of information. We all know dogs very well and are going to help you figure out the best solution.
What can I do to reduce my dog's chances of developing behavior problems?
The most important is to make sure that you start out with a great socialization program as soon as possible. So most puppies are adopted or purchased around 8 weeks, and hopefully, so you're going to want to start a socialization class right away. But we're going to want to make sure that it's the right type of socialization for your dog. So a robust, wild lab puppy versus maybe a more timid, smaller breed, they may need a little different type of an environment for socialization. So we're going to make sure you're with a dog trainer that understands those differences and make sure that you're in the right spot.
Last question. Can getting my dog spayed or neutered help with their behavior problems?
Yeah, without a doubt. Especially with male dogs, their desire to get into trouble and go hunt things down and be a little more aggressive is natural before they're neutered. So we really do like to get the dogs neutered. And certainly if you're seeing any behavioral issues as far as marking behavior or aggression, we want to see you sooner than later. With some of the larger breeds, we're waiting a little bit longer, but we still recommend neutering them because they are easier to train once they're neutered. So if you have any other questions, give us a call at the Drake Center. I'd be happy to chat with you.